everybody, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make my version of Olive Garden's Sopa Toscana. My husband claims it's better than Olive Garden, so if you don't know how to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using one small white onion and I'm gonna dice it. We're also using 3 garlic cloves. 4 potatoes. We're also gonna need some kale. And I'm using about 7 ounces. I'm using 16 ounces of bacon. I like to get rid of these pieces that are just fat. That way it's not a lot of grease. I set up the pot on medium heat. Once the pot is hot, we're gonna add the bacon and we're gonna fry it. I'm gonna push the bacon to the side and remove the excess oil. Once the bacon is fried, we're gonna add 16 ounces of Italian mild sausage. Once the sausage is broken down, we're gonna mix the bacon and the sausage until they are completely fried. It's time to add the onion and the garlic. Give it a mix. It's been about 10 minutes and now it's time to add the chicken broth. I'm gonna be using a total of 48 ounces. I'm gonna add some pepper, cover it and let it come to a boil. It's been about 5 minutes and it's now boiling. Next, we're gonna add the potatoes. Give it a mix and let it come to a boil once more. And wait until the potatoes are a bit tender. Make sure you don't overcook them. It's been about 5 minutes and we're gonna check on the potatoes. Okay, this is just perfect because you don't wanna overcook them. If you overcook them, then it'll be mushy potatoes. This is a perfect time to check your broth and see if you need more salt. To me, this is just perfect. No need to add any additional salt. Next, I'm gonna add 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. This is looking so delicious and it smells amazing. Last, we're gonna add in the kale. We're gonna cover it up again. Once it comes to a boil, your Sopa Toscana is ready. It's been about 3 minutes and our soup is now ready. Okay, definitely ready. Now we're gonna turn off the heat and I'm gonna serve myself a bowl because I am starving. See, this is like perfectly cooked potato. You don't want them to be all mushy. Just delicious. I don't know about you guys, but I love kale. And there you have it, delicious Sopa Toscana. Okay guys, moment of truth. Cheers. La verdad que así me voló la barda. Super rica, so good. You guys should definitely try making it. I know it's a little bit hot. The weather's not the greatest right now, but it's worth it. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.